Most people get this wrong. They assume USA Finance Hub is just another banking app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's a multifunctional platform offering savings accounts, cash advances, and personal finance management tools, all designed to help users handle money smarter and faster. Here's how it works. USA Finance Hub allows you to open high-yield savings accounts, request small cash advances, and track income and expenses in one place. Cash advances are typically approved within hours, making it ideal for urgent bills or unexpected emergencies. The app's dashboard provides real-time insights into spending, upcoming bills, and savings progress. You can also set financial goals, track milestones, and receive alerts to avoid late payments. This makes managing finances much easier, especially for people juggling multiple accounts or income sources. The downside: using cash advances too frequently can be costly, and relying on the app for day-to-day spending may reduce savings growth. Tips for responsible use: 1. Free cash advances as a short-term solution, not a permanent financial crutch. 2. Set clear savings goals and monitor progress regularly. 3. Use alerts and reminders to avoid late payments or overspending. Who benefits most? People with steady income who want an all-in-one financial hub for emergencies, savings, and budget tracking. Those with inconsistent income or spending habits may need extra discipline to avoid fees. In conclusion, USA Finance Hub in 2026 is a versatile platform that can simplify money management and provide fast access to funds, but it works best when used responsibly. Plan your spending, track your savings, and leverage the tools to grow financial stability. Subscribe for more unbiased app reviews and practical money advice.